In this video, we are going to see the difference between the find and the search functions in Excel. Both find and search functions can be used to look for text within a bigger string. So here we have the string called Excel is a productivity tool. And let's say in cell C6, we are going to put in the string we want to search. So let me put Excel. We can use both find and search functions to look for this data. For find function, let's go to cell C8 and type in the formula equal to find of. We need to first enter the find text, which is going to be cell C6, and then it's going to be the text in which we want to look for it, which is C4. After that, we need to put in the location, which is an optional variable, and I'm going to skip it. So when I put enter, it shows number 1, that is the string we are looking for starts from the first location in the bigger string. Similarly, we can also type in the formula for search. It's almost identical to the find formula. So again, we look for the find text, which is cell C6, and the text we need to look in, which is cell C4. That both of us give the location 1. The difference between the find and search function is that the find is case sensitive. So if we change the string we need to look for into lowercase, the find does not return a location because there is no Excel with lowercase, but search gives the location 1 as it's not case sensitive. So let's say we change this to PROD. Both of them give the location 12, and if I change it to lowercase, again the search returns a value, but find is unable to look for PROD, which is in lowercase. Let me just undo that. The other difference between find and search is that we can use wildcards in the search function, whereas we cannot use wildcards in find. So let's say I want to put the wildcard in this string, and let's say instead of PROD, I'm going to look in for anything which has the word ROD. And if I press enter now, the find cannot look for this, but search returns the value 12 as it sees PROD within this bigger string, where P is represented by this wildcard. Similarly, if I put in an asterisk which represents any number of characters, find cannot look for it, but search will return the location 1 as asterisks represent the whole string before ROD. Both find and search can be useful functions in looking for a specific type of data. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.